Are you tired of relying on pain medications only to feel temporary relief that fades away? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with chronic pain, and while medications can mask the symptoms, they rarely fix the root cause. So today we're going to look at natural science-backed alternatives to pain medications, approaches that help your body actually heal instead of just covering up the problem. Pain medications can take the edge off, but they don't address the underlying triggers of chronic pain. Triggers such as inflammation, muscle tensions, stress, toxins, or organs that aren't functioning at optimal levels. There are risks of long-term use such as dependency, fatigue, digestive issues, and liver or kidney strain. So the good news, well, there are natural ways to reduce chronic pain, restore mobility, and improve your overall energy without masking symptoms. Chronic pain is often fueled by systemic inflammation. Foods that worsen inflammation includes sugar, refined carbs, processed or seed oils, and alcohol. And foods that reduce inflammation are ones that are high in omega-3s like salmon, flax, and walnuts. Also leafy greens, celery, turmeric, ginger, berries, all of these are great for reducing inflammation. People with arthritis, joint pain, or stiffness often notice significant improvement after a few weeks of anti-inflammatory eating. So every meal is really an opportunity to either feed the inflammation or feed your body's healing. I like to think of food as like fuel for your car. The cleaner the recommended fuel, the better and longer your car will run. Now, inactivity worsens stiffness and pain, creating a cycle of discomfort. You've probably heard the use it or lose it term. Well, low impact exercises like walking, yoga, tai chi, gentle stretching, and my favorite, rebounding, which is like a mini trampoline exercise, these all improve circulation, they ease tension, release endorphins, which are your body's natural painkillers, and support lymphatic flow. You don't need intense workouts. Small, consistent movement, like a few minutes on a rebounder, can help your body recover, stay flexible, and reduce flare-ups. Chronic stress amplifies pain by tightening muscles and overactivating nerves. So studies show that mindfulness can reduce pain intensity and improve your ability to cope. Meditation, deep breathing, journaling, and emotional release techniques are all great ways to relax your body. Pain isn't always just physical. Your body often holds stress as a tension and inflammation. So modalities and products that support your body's natural healing systems include a lot of different things, such as nutrition response testing. This is a technique that identifies root causes of pain, inflammation, and other stressors, including organs that aren't functioning at optimal levels. And then a personalized nutrition plan is created along with a supplement plan to support the healing. There's also craniosacral and fascial therapy. These release deep tissue restrictions that can make chronic pain worse. There's also natural pain products like standard process analgesic and Asea Gold Gel, which help reduce comfort while supporting the body's natural healing processes. My all-time favorite for hormonal support is standard process Chase Tree. This can help balance hormones, which is especially important for those experiencing fatigue, mood swings, or hot flashes that can worsen chronic pain. There's PEMF, which is pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, red light therapy, oxygen therapy. All of these help repair tissues and restore energy at a cellular level. These therapies focus on healing at the root, not just masking pain. So chronic pain can be fueled by hidden triggers like toxins, food sensitivities, or immune challenges. Some gentle support strategies include hydration, sweating, like as in a sauna, cruciferous vegetables, and targeted testing. Clearing these stressors reduces inflammation, eases pain, and helps your body function more efficiently. Medications can dull pain temporarily, but natural approaches like anti-inflammatory nutrition, gentle movement, stress release, holistic therapies, supportive products, and detox, these all address the root causes of chronic pain. Imagine waking up without stiffness, fatigue, or nagging aches, feeling lighter, freer, and more in control of your body. That's the difference between masking pain and truly healing at the root. So if you feel like this video has helped, share it with someone struggling with chronic pain. And if you're ready to explore personalized natural strategies for chronic pain relief, including products like Standard Process Salagesic, the Asea Gold Gel, and the Chase Tree, check the link to connect with us.